Yoga, a practice that has been a cornerstone of physical, mental, and spiritual wellness for thousands of years. It's more than just an exercise. It's a way of life, a journey inward, and a tool for transformation. But have you ever wondered what really happens to your body when you do yoga every day? Today, we dive into the profound changes, physical, mental, and emotional, that occur when yoga becomes part of your daily routine. First, let's talk about the physical changes. From the very first session, your body begins to experience a shift. Yoga is unique in that it combines strength, flexibility, and balance. As you stretch and hold poses, your muscles elongate and your joints gain mobility. Over time, daily practice significantly increases your flexibility, helping you move with greater ease and reducing stiffness and tension. But yoga is not just about becoming more flexible. Many of the poses, from plank to chair pose, require you to hold your own body weight, which builds strength in your core, arms, legs, and back. You might not notice it immediately, but as days turn into weeks, your muscles grow stronger, your posture improves, and you stand taller and more aligned. Speaking of posture, yoga is a natural antidote to the effects of our modern, sedentary lifestyle. The body awareness cultivated through yoga helps correct slouching and poor alignment caused by long hours at a desk or looking at screens. With better posture, you'll not only feel more confident, but also reduce the risk of back and neck pain. Balance is another area where daily yoga shines. Balancing poses challenge your coordination and focus, strengthening the small, stabilizing muscles that are often neglected in other forms of exercise. Improved balance doesn't just help with yoga poses. It's a crucial aspect of overall mobility and can reduce the risk of falls, especially as you age. Breathing, something we do every moment of every day without much thought. Yet, yoga transforms this simple act into a powerful tool for health and vitality. Through practices like pranayama, you learn to breathe more deeply and efficiently. This enhances your lung capacity, improves oxygenation throughout the body, and can even help with respiratory issues like asthma. But the benefits of mindful breathing go even further. Controlled breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for relaxation and recovery. By consciously focusing on your breath, you can reduce feelings of stress, lower your heart rate, and even regulate blood pressure. It's no exaggeration to say that learning how to breathe properly through yoga can completely transform your energy levels and mental state. Daily yoga doesn't just transform your body, it also works wonders on your mind. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits is stress reduction. Yoga is scientifically proven to lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. Each session is like a mini reset for your nervous system, calming the mind and bringing a sense of peace. Over time, this daily practice can enhance your emotional resilience. By cultivating mindfulness, yoga helps you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions. This awareness allows you to respond rather than react, fostering a greater sense of emotional balance and reducing feelings of anxiety and depression. It's not just about finding peace during your practice, it's about carrying that sense of calm into every aspect of your life. Whether it's managing stress at work, dealing with family challenges, or simply navigating the ups and downs of life, yoga provides a stable foundation of mental strength and clarity. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the benefits don't stop there. Yoga's impact on sleep is profound. By helping to regulate your nervous system and quiet the mind, yoga makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Imagine the joy of lying down at night and effortlessly drifting into a deep, restorative sleep. This happens because yoga reduces the overactivity of the mind, the racing thoughts that often keep us awake. Practices like yoga nidra, or yogic sleep, have been shown to relax the body on a deep level, almost as effectively as actual sleep. The cumulative effect of better sleep is enormous. More energy during the day, improved cognitive function, and an overall sense of well-being. If you're someone who deals with chronic pain, whether it's in your back, neck, or elsewhere, yoga can be a game changer. Gentle stretching, combined with increased circulation and better posture, often leads to a significant reduction in pain over time. Yoga is also a powerful tool for managing conditions like arthritis, fibromyalgia, and migraines. It's not just about physical relief, it's about reclaiming your quality of life. And let's not forget your immune system. Yoga's ability to lower stress and inflammation, along with its impact on lymphatic circulation, boosts your body's ability to fight off illness. Each pose, each breath, contributes to a stronger, more resilient immune system, helping you stay healthier all year round. These physical and mental benefits contribute to long-term health and longevity. Studies have shown that regular yoga can lower the risk of chronic diseases like hypertension, diabetes, and even some forms of cancer. It's a lifestyle that not only adds years to your life, but life to your years. The benefits of yoga extend beyond the mat and into your daily life. With regular practice, you'll notice greater mental clarity and focus. Tasks that once seemed overwhelming will feel more manageable, as yoga enhances your ability to stay present and tackle challenges with a calm mind. Incorporating yoga into your routine often inspires other positive lifestyle changes. Many practitioners find themselves drawn to healthier eating habits, improved hydration, and even a deeper connection to nature. Yoga teaches you to listen to your body, and this mindfulness naturally extends to other aspects of your life. And let's not underestimate the journey itself. Progressing in yoga is deeply rewarding. As you master new poses and deepen your practice, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and personal growth. This journey isn't about perfection. It's about the joy of self-discovery and pushing past your limits. So, what happens to your body when you do yoga every day? It becomes stronger, more flexible, and balanced. Your mind grows calmer, your emotions steadier, and your overall well-being flourishes. Yoga is a gift you give yourself, one pose, one breath at a time. Join us. Unroll your mat. Begin your transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a little yoga in their life. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and remember, your yoga journey starts here. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.